Okay, so I'm only pseudo prepared for this. I think it's kind of funny how I'm really sore. Ow. Woo! Hello. Anyway, so I had a really long day yesterday and I didn't get my eating just right. So it's really a fascinating process right now for me to try to do the best I can given my life. And even with packing my food, it's challenging to eat exactly when I need to eat. Check it out. So anyway, I get a quarter cup of oatmeal and 2 eggs this morning, and making my coffee. So anyway, it's been a real challenge. I've done the best I can, and I think the good thing about doing the best you can, sorry, just wanted to look at my hair here, is that that's what you have to do. I can hear my alarm going off in the back room. Oh, it would help if I turned the stove on. So anyway, yesterday I got home totally pooped, maybe 8:39 if I can remember, and I don't remember much after that. I think I completely passed out. Instead of my, let me look at the list, instead of my eggs at 9, I had my dinner at 9. So, and yesterday I had 4 ounces of filet and rice, small serving of rice, and I'm such a liar. I'm so tired. Okay, what I was supposed to have was filet, rice, and a large salad, and what I did have was filet, green beans, and sweet potato fries. So yeah, I didn't even have close what I was supposed to have. So I guess here's my perspective. I got up on time today because the last few days I've been getting up late, and that's just not working. I have all my food, prepared from the night before, so that'll be good. And so my perspective today is you got to do the best you can. I really want to do this show. I want to perform really well in this show. But like I posted the other day, it's the 80% rule. I'm going for 80%, and if I can get if I can get my eating 80%, I think we're going to be okay. So I just want to encourage you with that. And I'm really so tired right now that my face doesn't seem to be working. I have no, yeah, anyway. Is that working? Anyway, I know I'm crazy at times, and so that's it. So let's just do the best we can, and definitely prepare. I have a networking breakfast this morning, so I will still bring my food, and that's the way I'm going to work it out, and I'm going to have the best attitude I possibly can about it, because, hey, I signed up for this. All right. Woo, I'll talk to you later, and I'm hoping my little flip works, so we'll see what happens.